Alright, welcome to the We Do. At this point, you guys, these numbers are huge. You guys have kind of gotten used to it. Let's go ahead and let's try the We Do. So you guys are kind of doing it ahead of me, and this is kind of you checking your answer, getting more help / a better direction. So start it off. How do we start it off? Try to look at the first example. How do we start it off? That's right, we have to label our A, our B, and our C. So A is equal to 3, B is equal to 25, and C is equal to 42. These numbers are ginormous. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and write out the quadratic equation. X is equal to negative B, use your memory, plus and minus, square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Okay, let's start plugging in the numbers. So we have X is equal to negative 25 plus and minus the square root of 25 squared minus 4 times 3 times 42 all over 2 times 3. Wow, this is going to be messy. Alright, so let's start simplifying. The first thing you should simplify is, that is correct, if you chose this and this, you are correct. So let's go ahead and let's simplify that. So I'm going to move it down a little bit. X is equal to negative 25 plus and minus the square root of 25 squared. Oh, jeez. Let me use the calculator. 25 times 25, 625, yes. 625 minus 4 times 3 times 42, 4 times 3 times 42. Wow, 504. And again, it's okay to use the calculator, guys. Use the calculator. And 2 times 3 is 6. Right, this is that huge step. It cleans up a lot of the mess. Next, what should I do next? If you said simplify the inside, you are correct. So I have X is equal to negative 25 plus and minus the square root of 625 minus 504, 121 over 6. All right. Next, what do I do next? Look at it and tell me which one do I do next. If you say simplify the radical, you are correct. So I have X is equal to negative 25 plus and minus 11, because the square root of 121 is 11. Whoops. Over 6. Oh, this is going to answer the question we have on the bottom. What is the next step at the end with the plus and minus equation? What do I do when I get that plus and minus equation? Think about it. Recall it. What did I do in the first problem when I got that plus and minus sign? If you said to split it, you are correctamundo. Let's go ahead and let's split it right here. So X is equal to negative 25 plus 11 over 6. And X is equal to negative 25 minus 11 over 6. This is going to give me, I can do math. 14? No, plus 14. 14 over 6. Negative 14 over 6. Which we can simplify, if I divide top and bottom by 2, as negative 7 over 3. Alright, and the second equation, I have X is equal to negative 36 over 6. And X is going to be equal to negative 6. Remember, guys, use a calculator when you can. Be careful with your signs. Alright, go ahead and try both you-dos first before you look at the video.